Hey workout partners, let's go over a wood installation for your wall rack. So here I've got a piece of plywood to show you exactly how to get it done. First thing we want to do, of course, is let's decide where we want our rack, right? So I'm going to put that up against the wall. I've already drilled pilot holes, but I started by putting it up on the wall, and then you want to take a level, put that on top. Let's make sure that it's level, right? Once you have it level, you want to make marks in each of the holes in the corners of the rack, because we know that that's where we want to place our pilot holes. And that's what I did. I made a pilot hole in each spot for that. And real simple. So the hex bolts that you have, these are 3/8 drive, so it's a number 6. If you need to get a bolt or if you have a ratchet, that's the size that it is. And I have one of those connected already to my drill. This is really simple. So you can actually pre-screw them in just to get it started, right? You can start them in like that if you want for all 4, maybe the top 2. And then from here, now remember I have the hex bolt and then I have a washer on it as well. That's simple. And do that for each of the 4 corners and you'll be ready to go. Do that for both of them. You guys will be all set. Congrats, it'll look fantastic, and we'll see you guys soon. Have a great one.